Hi, this is Paul Baker with REMAX and HotPropertyFlorida.com. Today we're out in Winter Garden, Florida, just west of Orlando. We're in Avalon Woods by Dreamfinder Homes. They're building quite a few different floor plans here. They'll range 1,700 to a little over 4,000 square feet. They'll have 183 home sites. They'll be 40, 50, and 60 foot wide, and they do have some oversized lots too. This is located in the Horizon West area. And today we're going to look at the Tidewater with bonus. It is 3,289 square feet. It can be built with 4, 5, or 6 bedrooms and up to 4.5 baths. Please take a look around. If you like this home and would like more information on it or information on where else it can be built in Central Florida, please give me a call at 407-902-3188. And to view all the homes for sale in Central Florida, please visit our website, hotpropertyfl.com. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.